In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Instagram Reels lagging here in 2026. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up the Instagram app and tapping on your profile icon down in the bottom right corner. From here, select the three lines up in the top right corner and go ahead and scroll down until you see an option for media quality. You might have to scroll down a little bit in order to see this, but once you find it, open it up and you're going to see a tab that says use less cellular data. Go ahead and tick this off if it's turned on. From here, go ahead and fully close out of Instagram and reopen it up to see if the Reels are now working smoothly. If that didn't work, there may be a bug or glitch. So go ahead and back out, delete Instagram from your phone, and then open up either the App Store or the Google Play Store and download and install Instagram again. This is going to give you a fresh version of the app and it's going to remove any bugs and install the latest performance updates. And if it's still not working, check your internet connection because Instagram Reels does require a stable and fast internet connection. Try switching between both Wi-Fi and mobile data if it's still not working for you, and restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. You can also search internet speed test in your browser to see if your speed is below 5 megabytes per second. If it is under that, your Reels may lag or buffer. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. That is how you could fix it. If you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.